Welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, just in time for the New York session. Well, actually, a little bit late. If we want to start this properly, we should be starting at 7 a.m., right? Well, anyway, I had some stuff to do, and hey there, Trader Oracle. Howdy. The good thing is I got back. Believe it or not, I just got back like right before I started the stream, like 2 minutes before. Hey, Paulius. How's it going, guys? Seems like the money bag worked. Look at this. Price slowly, but went up there, took out the liquidity. So I'm still bullish. Question remains, of course, what's gonna happen, but I'm still going to stay bullish for the rest of the day. Oops, we have relative equal lows on ES. That makes this interesting. All right. Breezy Music Club, hello. How's it going? Let's see. Mario, good morning. I'm doing great. Mario, I hope you're doing good. You too, my friend. Were you trading? How's it going? Any good profits so far? Anyone? I want to hear. Seems like to me that we're still in this range from yesterday. It was yesterday. So I'm checking ES. But I'm bullish. I'm gonna stay bullish for now. I see some order blocks to the left here on the 15 and the 5 minute. Same goes for NQ. If I go and check the 15-minute chart, look to the left, order block, order block. I want to stay bullish for now and target previous day high if I can, which was actually the PM session high. It's not so accurate, but should be okay, around 988. And no retest of the 18K so far. No trades yet. Just watching the price action. Exactly. That's how you do it. Oh, what happened with my trade away trader? Okay, here it is. So hold on. All right. I think we will be ranging until the future is open, and then we'll see. I might going to try to scalp a little bit on this account, which is up today. Not a lot, but $120. Yesterday managed to make like 400. So let's see. Can we do that? All right. All right, let's see. On the 5-minute, everything is a barcode chart. The 1-minute repricing this structure shift. I'm bullish on ES, bullish on Nasdaq. Same goes for both right now. Back in the opening range right now, the midnight level, that is. Pretty much, it can go anywhere. Looks bullish by the VWAP and the EMA, the 200. Otherwise, no idea. I'd like to see 18K being retested, but let's check the 1 hour. Made a new daily low. We have another order block bullish down there at 755, which is still a good target. But we are ranging since Monday. Monday, huge drop. And after, I mean, since the New York PM session, we're pretty much ranging. Made a few spikes here and there. The 4 hour also nothing special. We see some order blocks here and there, but if I check the daily, I'd say we can go lower to the 600s maybe. I mean, if you look at it, it was a pretty much a bullish run since, well, not just November, but even if I go to the weekly, since October, it's pretty much bullish. But it has been retracing once. I mean, but there was a pullback here, pullback here. Are we gonna make a final push? Who knows? Who knows? All right. Well, I guess we're stuck. We should be seeing some action in 3 minutes. Okay, no targets. Let's stay bullish. Here's the swing low. On the 15-minute, nothing else. It's just ranging, guys. It's really hard to do anything. I'm just copying ES. 3 second and 50 euro. That's a good profit there. Making 50 euros in 3 seconds. Take that anytime. Yeah, very nice job there. Sorry guys, I'm just eating a few snacks here. Well, at this market, you pretty much cannot do anything else. That's the problem. Hey Inky, good to see you. Welcome to the stream. How's it going? Alright, futures open. Totally forgot. Any news? Bank of England governor is going to speak later. PM session. ECB president at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, pretty quiet, right? Not so much happening right now. You're long. Trade in and out inside. Yeah. If you stay in the range, you can pretty much scalp it all over. Up and down, up and down. No problem, Josef. I get what you mean, Josef. Let me try to find an example. So Josef was asking about inversion fair value gaps, but in a situation where first it takes a significant high or low with a wick. Let me get an example here. Actually, no need for example. Uh-huh. Uh, 14:35, so I'm guessing that would be Eastern Standard Time. That would be 7:35. Yeah. On my chart, I have Eastern Standard Time. Okay, okay, all right, that's it. Yeah. So this is the example, for example, that we're talking about right here. Good question. Takes out the high here, makes a fair value gap, this candle, and the fair value gap, which happens right here, is almost like an inversion gap because there's one here, there's another one there. But if I take the second one as the inversion gap, I think actually you just nailed the inversion gap entry model. I mean, really, this is the inversion entry model, to be honest. That's how you trade IFVGs. Have to take out a high. It could be a little bit more significant than this one, but technically it's still okay because it took out the high, made an inversion gap, didn't trade it into it. Well, this candle here, if I zoom it out, like here, so this candle right here, it actually traded into that gap, but you could enter here or you enter here, and your stop loss should be, for example, you entered here. Your stop loss should be a little bit higher than the high. This is exactly like a perfect entry model if you're trading inversion fair value gaps. That's it. The thing is, trading the inversion gaps, if I would trade it, but it's only my choice, you can do as you want, as you wish, because it's still good. It's just a little bit maybe more aggressive, which is not a problem. Maybe I would like to take out a much more significant high than this one. So the only high that we're taking out is this one here. But for example, it made a new daily high here. I mean this one, and it took out this high. That's not going to be a perfect inversion gap, so let's just assume. Good morning, Tommy. Good morning. So let's just assume that this wick is not here, okay? So if that wick is, actually it can be there, it's not a big deal. So look at this. That turned into an inversion gap. Fair value gap, up close candle, made a new high, took out this one. Inversion. Boom, down close candle. The gap is still here as an inversion gap. Traded down. The thing is, a little bit riskier, but I know what it is. I know what you mean. And you can trade inversions. I know many traders use inversions, and I think it's a good thing. So it's absolutely fine. If you're going with trading inversion fair value gaps, honestly, we were talking about this the other day. It was last week maybe or before with Methodical Man. And I think, and he absolutely knows it better, these are much more reliable than the classic Q2 2022 fair value gaps. So trading inversion gaps, sometimes even, I'm not just sometimes, statistically it's better, stronger signal. So you enter here, for example, not even there, but okay, enter there, boom, 1 to 2 risk to reward, boom, there you go. What else can you want? It's actually a nice entry. So I definitely encourage you, if you like this model, I encourage you to study it and use it, because that really matters in terms of trading. The rest is risk management. The rest of it is only risk management. If you like the entry model, if for you it's easier to spot these entries, I would say go for it. Definitely go for it. For example, here, took out this low, swept some liquidity. What do we see here? This candle is going to close. We still have an inversion gap here. There, inversion gap. Swept the liquidity here. Boom. This one made also, there you go. Your entry, if you're scalping, could be right here. Stop loss there. Boom. You can enter right now if you want. It's a little bit more aggressive. You know what? I can enter. F it. I entered. Why not? Only one micro. At least we lose sometimes, right? Seems like we're gonna. Maybe I'm gonna use a little bit lower stop. So yeah. I'm gonna put my stop right there and put a TP at 44. Why not? There. It's not a perfect risk to reward, but this trade is dedicated to Joseph. Why not? Oh no, we're losing. I only took it because I'm bullish for the day. All right. This is the probe trade for the New York session. Yeah, Joseph is saying that I'm too cool about being in a drawdown. I mean, why should I? I'm only risking like $20 on this. I made 130 something, and I'm risking like 23, 24 with one micro. It's not even worth to really think of. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I would be much more stressful if this would be a mini. But if this would be a mini, I would not have taken it. Just saying. I would not have taken this position with a mini. So it all comes down to risk management. So I'm gonna tell it in Hungarian too. Csak azt akarom mondani, hogy ez úgyis a risk managementen múlik az egész. Szóval ne foglalkozz. Tehát a picikét kockáztatsz, akkor egyáltalán nem számít. Egyáltalán nem. Nem azt, hogy egyáltalán nem, de nem probléma. Nagyobb pozícióval ezt minivel nem csináltam volna meg. És fundeden egyáltalán nem, de még evaluationen itt sem csináltam volna meg. Alright. So all comes down to risk. You can lose the stress if you manage the risk properly. And of course, it's for the show, you know. We're doing entertainment here. Abszolút értelek. Nem probléma. Válaszolok magyarul is, nem gond. Semmi gond. Persze. Nem gond, nem gond. Nyugodtan leírhatod magyarul. Annyira nem fog a YouTube Semmit csinálni, nyugodtan lehet magyarul is beszélni. For entertainment purposes only. Yes, Mario. Yes. Exactly. For entertainment purposes only. Strictly for entertainment. But still, gotta tell you, I like that Josef brought this question up about inversion gaps. I was writing to Methodical Man on Discord the other day that maybe I'm gonna look into it a little bit deeper into the project of trading inversion gaps. I guess there are many ways how people are trading it, so everybody can apply their own little extra. Okay. It might be consolidating until the market open. Oh, you guys couldn't hear it. I'm just said that we're moving up, but obviously previous day high is the final target on this one. This is my funded futures evaluation account. Not a big deal. Already at 51k somewhere. So yeah. Yeah, me too. Me too. As I said, I'm still bullish, and if you check the 18,000 level up there, it's it has not been retested again properly, so could be pushing a little bit higher here. And while we're waiting, guys, I would be super glad if you guys could push the like button, you know, help out the stream with the like. It's free to do. And subscribe to the channel. We're here every day talking through life and trades and everything. Chill out, you know, and yeah. That's why I'm doing the channel. Also, grab your discounts. Some very good sales going on. I don't know why Streamlabs is not pushing the links, but you can find some links below in the description. And that's it.
Welcome to the stream.
Oops, sorry. What is happening with Streamlabs? Doesn't really want to chat anymore. The Streamlabs chatbot is just not working. All right. Hey, now, good morning. Good to see you again, too. You're sitting in the trade. I'm trying to fix my Streamlabs. So we're just waiting. We had an inversion entry here. Hopefully we will get somewhere.
Welcome to
No. I don't know what was. Daniel, hey there. But somehow Streamlabs was not working and still not working. I don't know why. Hey, I don't know why, but it was not working. What could be the problem? Cloudbot is on, but it's still not working. Interesting. It's not a giveaway. It's not a real giveaway, guys. So don't enter. I was just checking if this was working or not. I'm sorry about that. I was just checking if Streamlabs was working. Interesting. Anyway, at least I know that it's working. Pum 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 pum. Okay. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Hey, Karen. What's going on? Good to see you. Complain about my trading? Well, thank God that she's supporting me with everything she can. I mean, she's very patient with this. She really sees me that I'm doing this like with full passion, and she's very supportive. Yeah. So thank God. And not just supportive, but she's also like my mentor. For example, last month when I lost the evaluation accounts, she was like, she said something like, I told you not to risk more. You know, like she doesn't really know how risk management works in this trading stuff, but she knows that if I risk a lot on a given position, I can lose the account very fast. And she was like, you were risking too much, right? You were definitely risking too much. Promise me next time you are going to risk a little bit, little incy-wincy tiny steps, you know, go forward with tiny profits, because even when you do many tiny profits, it's gonna end up in a, like huge profit by the end of the month. So she was like giving me a lecture about about risk management, and I said, oh, all right, no, sit back, relax, you know, everything is cool. She thinks right, yeah. So she's not just patient with this, she's very supportive. So thank God in the universe. She's not nagging me when I'm streaming and she's at home. She's watching Netflix, you know. When I'm trading in the New York PM session, which is late afternoon for me, and you know, she's not yelling at me from the living room like, hey, where are you, why are you trading so much? No, she's just watching some Netflix TV series, and that's it. It's all good. But you know, it takes a toll, because in exchange sometimes I do need to buy her some clothes or something, you know, some women stuff, you know, bracelets, clothes, maybe a shoe, whatever, you know. She sees something in the, you know, we do some window shopping, and then she says, oh, all right, you know what, you can do whatever you want next week, just buy me that clothes. No, not literally like that, because she's really, I mean, she's not a gold digger or something like that, but you know, I like to give her some small presents for being patient when I stream a lot, or being at my computer for a long time. My ex did that. Yeah. Yeah, Tamimi, I am extremely grateful for Netflix. Thank God, Netflix. Thank God. I'm extremely grateful for Netflix, that's for sure. I can't wait to watch the Dune Part 2. So I think tonight, after stream, I'm gonna turn off everything, and I'm gonna be having a movie night. Dune Part 2. Definitely. This trade is exclusively dedicated to Joseph. If I lose, he's going to buy me an evaluation account. Yeah. No. At BULENOX, it's cheap, you know. No, just joking, you know. Good deal. Now, what we're gonna do BULENOX giveaway, by the way, guys. Maybe on Friday, I think. We're gonna do a raffle. But the way I'm going to do it is like I'm not gonna do crypto for now. I have a solution. If you guys want crypto cash, it's gonna be a cash prize. But for now, no crypto. Only PayPal or debit card transfer or international bank wire. These are the three ones that's gonna work for this giveaway. Crypto maybe next time, because it's super duper expensive. If I want to give away $20 for a BULENOX account, the conversion and the transaction fees are more than $20, so it's not worth it. For now, it's private, but there's going to be a free version, and the paid members are going to be getting my account trades directly copied to the Signal room with risk management. And I said this many times, and I didn't held up to my word, but I'm going to do weekly webinars on for the paying members. That's all I can do. It's $10 for a month, so not the end of the world. But in the webinars, we can talk to each other with voice live. We can do some brainstorming, asking questions from each other, learn from each other. And I'm gonna give you all my trades from Quant Tower. This is gonna be sending to the signal room with exact risk to reward and everything. So that's going to be $10 per month. And we have the free version, which is, we are going to have the free version, not yet, but this week, maybe weekend, which is going to be a single chat room, basically. But yeah, for now, we only have the paid version, but I'm going to come up with the free one. Okay, sorry. We just made a profit. Nice trade. Inversion gap theory. So, I don't know if you guys heard me because the microphone was out, but a free Discord is going to come in the weekend. And this trade was super duper. I liked it. I really liked it. Absurd Bird. Just bought a laptop. Hopefully I can figure out how to do this stuff. Hey, I am definitely sure you can figure it out. All I can say is if I figured out how to take payouts, well, not constantly, but how to take payouts from a prop firm, trust me, that pretty much means that anybody can do it. And I know it sounds weird or stupid for me, but really, if I could take payouts from a prop firm, anybody can do that. So that's why I know. I'm starting to like this inversion strategy. Well, it seems like we're moving up. Previous day high is absolutely a good target. Sorry, I'm just finishing my lunch. Okay, feels much better. Feels much better. Should we scalp a little bit? I guess not until market open. Oh my god. I have so much dust in my room. Jesus Christ. Wow. I have to do some cleaning. I definitely have to do some cleaning. Yeah, we're going for yesterday high, I think. Well, if we're talking about retracements, let's see the recent move. I don't know. If we're talking about this big one, %50 level is at 65, including today's low. Yeah. So around the 60s. If we break through, so the low hanging fruit in this case is 988. 988 is the low hanging fruit, and if you guys want to go to the real targets, 18,060-ish levels are the ones to go for. It's going so far, so 15 minutes and counting. This is the waiting game. All right. This is a trap, Admiral Akbar said. Hey, Messapeti. Servus Péter, üdvözöllek, what's up? I'm glad we have some fellow Hungarian traders on the stream. This is a trap before the market open. I think after the market open we will be bearish. Could be. I mean we're still in this range, so yeah, everybody's waiting. Everybody's waiting like crazy for this open because we're pretty much consolidating since Monday. After this drop, we're just consolidating. Nothing is happening. Also, if you look at the hourly ES, the same. On the hourly chart, we are in this range. And I think it's about time for both ES and NQ to break out from this. Finally. Finally. Hopefully it will do. Or they will do. Maybe up to 0.91. Yeah. I have to make a real quick phone call. Just a minute. All right. Yeah. Up to 091 could be the case. Still a few minutes to go, guys. Until then, you know, guys, what to do. Buy a lot of accounts with my code. No, I take that back. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm just buying 2 or 3 BULENOX accounts. No, I'm gonna buy Apex accounts. I have more BULENOX accounts now. I'm buying at least 2 more Apex accounts. So go to check out, and hopefully, if not today, then tomorrow I can YOLO at least 1. All right. Let's buy those accounts. Hey, like. Gold? Not yet. I mean, no, I'm not trading gold yet. Oh, just bought some more BULENOX accounts. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some too. I mean, I just bought 3 more Apex accounts. But I'm not gonna YOLO all of them, and I might gonna buy 2 BULENOXes, so I'm gonna be loaded with 5. I should be able to get at least 1 or 2 to be funded. Right. All right. BULENOX is regulated, yes. You can buy it with a 90% discount for the first month. For example, a 25K account you can buy for $14.50 for the first month. I know from the second month it's 145. Yes, I know. If you guys are going with BULENOX, I'm saying you should aim to pass it in 30 days. So most forex prop firms back in the day, when there was a time limit, they were letting you to pass it in 30 days. Just saying. But anyway, if you go with BULENOX, try to aim to pass it in 30 days. All right. So 50K account is $17.50 and so forth. Yeah. So try to pass it in your first 30 days. I would say only go for BULENOX, because if you're not aiming for the 30 days, go with Apex or MyFundedFutures right now with the discount. Kisbérre mikor megyek? Nem tudom. De lehet, hogy nem tudom, Balatonra el akarok menni kirándulni. Szóval talán majd valamikor utána. Alright. Onnan már nincs messze a Balcsiról. Alright. Looking for those highs. Szólok. Mindenképpen. Legyél itt mindig a streambe, és ha látlak, akkor szólok. I like to talk with fellow Hungarian traders. I mean, hard to find people here to talk about trading, you know. Nobody really talks about trading. You're welcome there. Maybe sooner or later we are going to form an official Hungarian futures trading group or something like that. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? Everything begins somewhere. All right. Okay. What is the issue? Anyway. Oh man. I don't know what's going on with my screen. Anyway, market is about to open. It's open. Forgot to launch the opening bell, but I think everybody's happy about that. Market is opened up. Like Apex. Apex, if I pass in one day, can I get payout next day? No, you have to trade for 10 days. There's a 10 trading day. I think now it's 10 days. 7 or 10. Something like that. 7 or 10 days. You have to push the button. And you have to reach the minimum threshold, of course. To get a payout. Look at this. It's going down like crazy. Just as Josef said. I think you said it, right? Okay, repriced these levels. Okay. Alright. OMG, look at this drop. Look at this drop. I mean, not a huge one, but considering to the open, 30, almost 40 points. Healthy drop, I would say. And you know what? I'm still bullish. I'm not considering this as a bearish sign. Not right now, not at this point. We need more to drop from here. Yes, also went down. If this is going to range some more, then we could be seeing this continuing to the downside. I didn't see one-time payment after passing the challenge on BULENOX. I didn't see one-time payment. It says I mean the one-time payment, there is a one-time payment fee, which is 100, and on the 50K account it's 148, on the 25K it's $140 activation fee to activate the lifetime. I mean the lifetime activation fee. It has to be at the help section or the frequently asked questions somewhere. You will find it, but there is an activation fee. Okay, as we were expecting, we are still bullish. Are we gonna go higher or not? Made relative equal lows down there on the 1 minute. Could be dropping a little bit more down to the VWAP maybe. I don't know. Narrowing down, still no direction. Should I change this? Yeah, let's change this. Seems like it wants to drop. Not sure though. I don't know. If it wants to, it should be taking out the low at 24.50. If not, then should be heading higher. We're gonna wait this one out. Maybe take a trade on this account too. Is it gonna go or not? Okay, it went down there. Scalped a little bit. Made $300. I mean, not yet. Now I just made like 180 with 1 mini. Should be making some profit on this account too. Let's go. Yeah, it could be going up first. Yeah. Going for the daily fair value gap. Yeah, there is a daily. I saw that, I think. It's up here. And I'm surprised by myself. Why didn't we talk about that? Let me put it here on this one too. Okay. So the daily fair value gap starts right there. At previous day high. So I have to agree that I think we will go up. We should be, right? It's not high, so I would say the target would be still 89 up there. Can we go? I don't know. But looking good to go there. Come on. What is gonna happen here? Still hovering here. No clear direction. For a short time it looked like it wanted to go there, but now seems like that the sellers are stepping in and they might want to push it lower. I don't know. If they do, then they should be going through 15 maybe. For a continuation to sell. But no displacement, no structure shift so far. Well, there was one, I'm sorry, here. But a little bit aggressive here. Seems like they want to drop it even more. But for how long? How far? Going for previous day high. From there going London low, yeah. Wendley, hey, at 15 minutes, what do you think it's gonna test? 8:38, 15 minutes. 8:38. Well, you know. Oh yeah, I see that. Could be. There's a possibility. It's a perfect rejection from there. I mean, if we're staying in this range today, then chances are very high that we should be going way lower. So absolutely, I think it can do that. Yes, I mean, why not? Absolutely. Absolutely. It can. It should be breaking through the 910 if it wants to fall from here. Because there are some relative equal lows down there. Seems like it's having some trouble. But if it's not breaking that level, then previous day high could be coming back. This level is holding so far. In a fair value gap right now. Let's see. Could be an inversion, right? Could this be an inversion? No, it's not. Tested 15-minute bullish order block. Yeah. It definitely tested it. That's true. Next 15 again should push bullish. Not yet lower. Yeah. It made a nice reaction this week down there. Absolutely. It was a nice reaction. I was surprised like it couldn't go through the 910. So that was kind of a support. It couldn't go through there. Apex 100k static, how does that work? I need profit 2k and get payout. I think, yeah, on the static, let me check it for you. On the static account. I don't know the static at Apex that much, but let me go full. Yeah, profit goal is $2,000. Then you get the account and the payout level, the minimum threshold on the static account. Hold on. $100k static. $100k static, just a second. Just a second. Should be right here. There you go. I found it for you. So the static account withdrawal for each period, that's the minimum balance to request, is 2,600 on the static. So 2,600 with the static account. That's doable, I think, but you have to be careful because your drawdown is only $625, but of course it's static, so be careful with that. So $2,600 is the minimum. All right. What do we have? No, now it's going down. We might be dropping here. Everyone. But we're still in the range. So the buy side liquidity, which is previous day, I mean the daily fair value gap, is still not there. So I mean, no sign that we're gonna go for it yet. I wonder how far is this gonna go? How far is this sell-off can last? Or is it just a liquidity sweep? So I would be looking to enter to some trades. I don't know how far this wants to go. No clear direction on the 5 minute. Well, there was a fair value gap here. So are we going for the order block down at the 50s? Can we do that? But that's down at the 750s. That's a lot. That has to drop a lot if that's the target. Buyers hitting market with 50 and more contracts per tick and still losing the battle. Yeah. Feels like they really want to send it lower. We do have a 1 hour order block down there. If this one goes, it should be going through the 4 hour order block again. Don't know, guys. It feels weird. I don't know. It's weird. Nothing is moving. Nothing is happening. It's stuck again. Should be breaking through the 62s. There are some levels down there, but if this is a sell-off, then we should continue lower. Silver bullet is close. Oh yeah, but you know, just my personal opinion. To trade Ichimoku, it's on the Senkubi. I have no idea about Ichimoku. I know that's an indicator, but I never traded it. So, but I know some people are using it, but I have no idea. I know the cloud and those, and yeah, I'm guessing there is a strategy for Ichimoku, but I never traded it. So silver bullet, the silver bullet hour is, I think it's so much hyped. It's super hyped because ICT said that specific time frame, the silver bullet. I mean, no offense to anyone. I'm still trading. I never call it a silver bullet hour. Silver bullet can be happening every hour, in my opinion. So most likely, yes, it is similar to ICT. Yeah, so silver bullet is like, it's not a stone written thing that it is going to happen between 10 a.m. and 11, although chances are high that we're going to see a setup between the 15-second and the 5-minute time frame at least once. So we can say that. But the same goes for 11 a.m. to lunch hour, or you know, whatever. But I get it, because I actually agree. The silver bullet, so-called silver bullet hour, is the biggest volume expected, the best moves, the best price action is in that hour. But we talked about this with Josef too, and many times some good moves are happening after the kill zone. So best indicator is reconstructed tape. It's my opinion, yeah. But it is order and bit different way, TP understand. But when you look at it, it is simplest couple of old school techniques altogether. Oh yeah, yeah, I agree. I mean, I believe that absolutely. And that's the thing for the whole ICT concept. Basically, ICT concepts. So I deeply respect his lectures, and I learned a lot from him. But in my opinion, ICT is just repackaged old school technical stuff, because there is evidence that from the 70s and from the 80s there are the same concepts, but it's not called fair value gap, it's just called gap and stuff. So he just repackaged it, and that's it. Hey Muhammad, hey there. So the ICT concepts is nothing new. He repackaged the whole stuff. It's not true. So I respect the man for the teaching, I really do. But he repackaged it. He rebranded the whole thing. And when he says that nobody talked about this before 1996, I have to respectfully disagree with him. I don't believe that, because I have evidence from old trading books with the same exact entry model, like the YouTube entry model, the fair value gap, the order blocks, everything is there. In 70s and 80s trading books, I have that. I downloaded PDFs and charts, and it's there. So I don't believe that he invented it. He just repackaged it. So, but I get it. It's fine. I learned a lot from ICT. I'm still going to learn a lot, I think. but it was before him. So the whole thing, Daniel, everything. ICT concepts were existing before ICT. It was there in the 70s, the 80s. Since pretty much the digital era of charting software came in and started to analyze the charts with the candlesticks, all these formations were there. So ICT blew his account every time when he was traded live. Well, I heard about ICT first in 2019. It was before the pandemic, and I heard about him at Baby Pips. There was some talk that he blew his account, but honestly, there is no evidence about any kind of trading record. No videos, even from a challenge account, from a small account. No videos of any personal account. No consistent footprint of him taking trades. Other than he's showing us on YouTube, which is a good example for teaching, of course, but no consistent evidence, even from demo accounts. Nothing so far. That's the problem. I still have my bet for $500 that ICT is not going to win the Robbins Cup, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to win that bet. 100% sure I'm going to win the bet. He's not going to win the Robbins Cup. So if I would have to guess, I think his account right now is in deep drawdown. If I would have to guess. It's not because he's a bad person, but he is taking too much on himself. And that's it. But I do respect his teachings. I respect all the work and effort he put into the lectures, the mental aspect of the game, the lectures that he was saying on Twitter Spaces. Those were very good. I enjoyed them very much, and I like to listen to those lectures. I think they're great. But as for trading, technically, no evidence that he has ever been traded successfully, not even for a short time, like for a few weeks at least, constantly. So that's it. Oh, yeah, okay. In the 70s and the 80s, they didn't call it fair value gap. They just called it gap. That's it. Price gap or gap trading. Order blocks were named a little bit differently, like supply and demand. That's how they say it. I mean, for example, those levels are called in many books supply and demand levels, which ICT disagrees. But anyway, Jacques, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for the support. Have a good evening or morning. See you in a London session. Maybe I will send you an email regarding to some sort of accounting preference. All right. All right, Jack. Send me. Bye for now. Thanks for being here, Jack. Oh, what I said about repackaging. Yeah. But he made a lot of money from teaching, which I respect. So I respect his knowledge about the markets. I definitely respect his knowledge about the markets. I respect his mindset and the lectures about the trading mindset. I respect that. Last year I was in the hospital for 2 times for a few weeks, and it was early 2023. I had surgery as well. So when I was in the hospital, I was listening to his Twitter spaces, not just live, but the ones that were recorded and put onto YouTube and Spotify. So while I was laying in bed, I was listening to his Twitter spaces. He's an interesting fellow, that's for sure. But the mental things that he was talking about, the psychology, I think it's very useful. It was very useful. It's on the last fair value gap. Which one is that? On the 1 hour or the 5 minute? Oh yeah, here on the 5 minute. It's the last one. So we'll see if we're gonna have a reaction here. Let's put a box here. Let's put it right there. We closed below this gap. Could be an inversion, but this 5 minute chart still needs to, I mean, yeah, close like that. This could be an inversion on the 5 minute maybe, but we still need some time. If it drops lower, I don't know. We have a 1 hour order block too. Okay, support and resistance, that's simple. Yeah, support and resistance. I also see people trading support and resistance with quite a lot of success. And before the whole ICT thing, I mean, before Smart Money Concepts, I tried to trade support and resistance. So, but you can't really trade support and resistance on the 1 minute, in my opinion. There's too much so-called noise. The ones who are trading support and resistance and trading it good told me that better to go with at least minimum 15 minute, but most likely 30 minute and 1 hour time frame to have those levels reacting the way they should be. So 15 minute and higher, basically. That's where support and resistance is really working out. That's what they told me. 1 minute support and resistance is, maybe it's just too less. Okay, now this one can be a continuation. The 5 minute repriced the gap. So if the sell-off continues, could be heading lower. Let's see. So far the candles do look like they want to go lower. Doesn't really need too much. There is a significant low at 36. So I wonder if it's gonna go down. It doesn't need too much. To spike lower. Or maybe we arrive to the turning point. Maybe not. Maybe not. Anyway, I scalped a little bit more. So the account is up 51,000 and 1,522. Yeah, I traded. We started the day on this account with $800 or something, and now I'm up. Let me show you what happened on this account yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Okay, that's not the thingy. So this is the account. Today I was at 50,000 800. I bought this evaluation and then I just left it. 872. I had some good days, bad days. Yesterday we made over $400. and now it's at 1,522. But I didn't take a trade. I didn't take a trade on the funded account. No trade on the funded. Should go to the voice. If he can't trade, his teaching is missing something. Most of the time is the psychology aspect. Yeah, Daniel, I agree, but yeah, I agree. Yesterday. Okay, still waiting. Still waiting, still waiting. I'm wondering if we could go down to that 1 hour order block. Ba-ba. Seems like a little bit of a slow day. I know I didn't stream too much today. I was busy in the London session, and I still have to do some no hot news today, and I still have to do some stuff in the city, so I would like to stay for longer on the stream, but I do have to today is a busy day for me. I do have to take care of some IRL stuff too, and the whole week is kind of an upside down technically, but I try to be here as much as I can. But honestly, guys, I don't see anything specific, anything that I want to trade in this price action. I mean, the move has happened so far. Maybe that there's going to be a continuation in the lunch hour or in the PM session. But for now, I don't see anything that interests me. Anything at all. So, with that being said, I'm sorry to say that, but I think I'm gonna leave it at this. I'm a little bit tired too, but I still have to do some errands. It's like after 4 p.m. in my time, and I have to get to some places before 6 o'clock, and there's gonna be a rush hour on the roads. So it is a busy day. It is a busy day, but I scalped a little bit, which I'm happy for, but I think that's it for now. But I hope it's not a problem for you guys. I do hope to see you tomorrow in the London session and New York too. Sorry again, but this is a week like this. So if you guys can excuse me, I think I am going to shut the stream off for now. We traded the New York Open. So far, the silver bullet hour is still going on, but I have to go. So that being said, thank you for everyone for watching and for being here. I'm gonna be back in the London session tomorrow, and also in New York. We're gonna do a longer stream in London and New York. All right, I can promise you that. Have a good afternoon, you guys too. You too, Patty, and everyone. Have a great morning, good afternoon. If you would like to support the stream and me being here full time, please use my links and codes if you want to purchase some of these funded, sorry, not funded, but challenge evaluation accounts. Those few dollars here and there help out the stream and the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all, and I'll be back in the London session. So see you soon, and have an awesome morning or evening. See you guys in London session. Cheers, everyone.